Hello guys, this is my first ever YouTube channel and video, and today I'm going to be making some fluffy slime. So let's get on to it. First you're going to need some chalk glue or Elmer's, a container, a mixing tool, I'm just going to be using a straw, some food coloring or paint if you want, and then some shaving cream, and last, some contact lens solution, or whatever your activator is going to be. First you want to pour the glue you have in, and I'm going to be using 2 bottles of chalk glue. So I'm pouring this in. Okay, once you're done doing that, if you have any coloring, you can grab the color now, and I'm using blue paint. And I got a tip. If you pour your paint in for fluffy slime, pour your paint in first, mix it all up, and then when you add the shaving cream, you can mix, while you're mixing, you can notice if all of the shaving cream is mixed in, all your paint will be mixed in, but if there's some white left, that means all your shaving cream isn't mixed in. So that's a tip. And if you want a light color with shaving cream, you should make your slime pretty dark. And I'm making mine dark because I want a light slime. So now I'm just going to add some Barbasol shaving cream. Okay, I just added some shaving cream in. And now I'm going to mix. Okay, and I'm going to be switching to using a fork because the straw got way too hard to mix with, so yeah. Mine is still not mixed in fully because there's lots of white, so I'm going to keep mixing and mixing until it's all mixed in. Until there's no white left. Okay, I mixed it all in, now it's all mixed in. Now grab your activator, like contact lens solution, and slowly start adding it. 1 second. Okay. Slowly start adding it to your slime. And add little by little so you don't overactivate it. And it's starting to become like this. So you can start to go in with your hands early, or you can go in late. But I'm going in pretty early. So I'm just going to take it little by little and form the slime. keep on mixing until it becomes how you want it to be. And if it's very sticky still, like exactly like mine is, just keep adding activator and activator and more activator. Okay, wait. This is really sticky, so I need lots more activator. Okay. Adding activator helps a lot. Okay. I'm adding more slime to this little by little and activator. Okay, and if your slime is still very sticky like mine, keep adding and adding and adding more activator. Okay, I have more slime coming. There we go. And I'm going to add some more contact lens. And if it isn't activating still, you can add more shaving cream, and that helps. Because if you know how to use contact lens, you have to add baking soda usually. And shaving cream is like the baking soda. So if you add more of it, it'll become less sticky. Like this. And it'll become more fluffy. So, I'm just going to keep mixing around. Okay, I'm going to add more shaving cream, and then I'm going to mix it in. shaving cream. I'm gonna keep adding shaving cream until it gets super fluffy. I'm gonna add some more shaving cream because I want this slime to be really, really fluffy, and it already is, but it's not fluffy enough for what I want it to be. So I'm gonna keep adding more until it gets to how I want it. You can do the same, but I think this is enough. I'll just have to mix it in now. Yep, this slime is huge now. It's like 3 times the size it was. Okay, I think the slime is almost done. There we go. I think it's done now. Just gonna mix that in. And I will be done with this fluffy blue slime. Okay, I'm done with it. So I'm going to do some ASMR. Okay, I'm going to do slime finale swirl. Okay guys, thanks for watching my first ever YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed, and bye until next time.